Welcome to the Summa Health Psychiatry Residency.
Everyone was very welcoming. It's a very family-oriented culture.
And also kind of like the demographics of the area, I felt like I would get a good clinical experience.
And I also love all of the attendings that we work with in the psychiatry residency program.
Every attending knows you very personally and very thoroughly.
They let you work kind of independently, so it's a really great balance.
In general, something that I noticed is that people were happier here at Akron.
The environment at Summa, I think, is just a great way to learn, and it's a comfortable place to grow.
Summa Health was my number one choice, and I could not be happier to be here, honestly.
My vision is to lead our trainees. So if you were to join us in our very special residency training program, I would invite you to be a part of what I call an inward journey that you would take with us and with our support and mentoring to learn about the most state-of-the-art technology, neurobiology, psychopharmacology. We have decided and made a commitment to preserve training residents in psychotherapy. That's becoming a lost tradition in psychiatry, and we hold to it because we believe that it helps provide a depth of understanding and a depth of viewpoint of individuals that provides for the most special kind of relationships you can have with your patients.
As program coordinator, what I see as the heart of our program is the family-oriented interaction between the residents and the faculty, not only in the educational setting in the hospital, but they do things together outside of the hospital that makes our program stand out.
What I'm most proud of in our offerings to you and all our trainees is that once you're here, you're part of our family. We take special care to watch over, be with you, struggle with you, learn with you, and teach you and prepare you. So we would want you to be part of that with us.
This program is great because no matter what avenues you're passionate about in psychiatry, you're given the opportunity, space, and freedom to really explore, and psychiatry is a vast field, so to have really unlimited opportunities to grow your passions and interests, I think, is what you want out of a residency.
Our experience with patient care here gives us a wide variety from the mood disorders with anxiety, depression, all the way to people afflicted with severe and persistent mental illness, with schizophrenia, bipolar disorders.
I really appreciate the extent to which the program values and supports psychotherapy and the development of a therapeutic relationship with each of our patients.
You do get a very comprehensive addiction medicine training. Akron, Ohio, actually the hospital we work at here, was also the birthplace of Alcoholics Anonymous, so it's kind of an interesting place to get to train.
We are kind of unique in our program in that we get outpatient experience in our second year in a half-day clinic, so I've really enjoyed getting that independence to prescribe medication and come up with treatment plans.
I'm going into child and adolescent psychiatry right after my general psychiatry residency here, and what's really great about this program is that they have a partnership with Akron Children's Hospital.
And we get a lot of individualized time with the attendings, and they are able to tailor the learning environment to us.
Almost every psychiatry rotation you go on, it's just you and the attending.
We're a fairly close-knit group. One of the advantages of having a smaller residency program is that we all know each other and we all are pretty up-to-date about each other's lives.
Each day before I go into work, I'm happy to go into work. And I think especially in residency, with it being such a stressful time, having that contentment and that comfort that I made the right decision, that makes the grueling process a lot easier in the long run.
I like the program so much that I decided to sign on and stay here at Summa Health as an inpatient and outpatient attending. Akron's great. I'm married with 2 young kids, and so it's perfect for us to stick around in the area.
A lot of really good hiking in the area. The restaurant scene is really great, and I think that especially if you're into outdoor activities, there's a lot of good opportunities for that.
There's a lot to do in the area. The cost of living's low. You're really just surrounded by great people in a great community.
I came all the way from Alaska to join Summa Health, so I never complain about the weather.
Summa Health has been everything I expected it to be. I couldn't imagine myself going anywhere else.
I recommend people come here because it feels like home here. You know, everyone's my friend or family because I do spend more time with them than my actual biological friends and family, so you really get to know people well.
It's a pretty easy decision. Come join us.
Come join the Summa family.
Come join the Summa family.
Come join the Summa family.